In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assign from and view your bid sheet. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your location selected, then choose Bidding. Select the shift bid whose bid sheet you want to view. I'll choose this one. Then make sure your stage is assigned. Mine isn't, so I'll go ahead and change that right now. I will click Assign, and then choose Save. Now go to your new top menu bar and select Bid Sheet. You should arrive at the employee's bid sheet who is the first alphabetically. So for me, that is Allison Apple. To change your employee, you can click the arrow next to Allison and choose someone else. We'll say Kat. You can also use the forward and backward arrows. So I'll go backwards and return to Allison. Right now, Allison has not been assigned to a shift. Under her lines, I can see which one is her first and second choice, the name of the lines, the pattern for the lines. Green means which days she will work, and gray means she will be off. I can also see the station, the start time, the end time, the total number of hours Allison will work for this shift bid, the capacity, how many people will work the same schedule, and the availability. Right now, only Allison's second line is available, so I will click on that choice. I can see all of that information here again. To assign Allison to this line, click Assign Now. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to assign this bid. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I will select OK. And now Allison has been assigned, and her second choice has turned green and has a check mark next to it, indicating that is where she has been assigned. I can also submit bid sheets before they have been assigned. So to do that, go to an employee who has not yet been assigned to a line. So I'll click the arrow next to Allison and choose Ivan. In the upper right-hand corner is a Submit button. To submit this bid sheet, click Submit. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to submit the bid sheet. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I will choose OK. And now this bid sheet has been submitted. Notice that the submission information has appeared next to the Now Undo button. To undo the submission of a bid sheet, click Undo. Again, TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to do this. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I will select OK. And now that bid sheet is no longer submitted. That's how you can view and make assignments from your bid sheet. Check out the next video to view the history of a shift bid.